Assalamualaikum dear, his time I've enjoyed. My friend is my old teacher, is my same class is the student, and my teacher is the son Mr. Kurban Ali, and my teacher's the name Sir Muhammad Hassan is the Mera. Hello my dear Kurban Ali, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I am quite well, thanks. This time what are you to enjoy?
Actually, we're very today. I am happy, and
Yes, come on. Why they are laughing? Yes, come on. He's my dear, the student is the 10th class. He's the right of the English and he's the tuition art of the study. He's my neighbor who's in my village. He's a school who's the teachers. Nurses study is English. As best man, my man teachers, and who's the son Sai Muhammad Hassan Burgri, and who's son of Kurban Ali. Kurban Ali, how many the brother have you?
I have 5 brother, my elder brother.
5 brother. Okay. He's the big brother of the name Inaitullah, who's working of the shop, and the Dumbalo is the shop. And next is the brother, his father of the duty is the primary teacher, the not of who was working and understands the math here. Kurban, you are the future is school study. What are you the job?
Actually, I will become the doctor.
Oh yes, nice.
That's my big dream.
Yeah, okay.
Inshallah, that my dream is very.
Inshallah, all my friend is prayers in my friend is Kurban Ali is the best of their speeches in English. Tell me the English tells I know to study. Understand? It's my prayer. Good morning, good evening. Have a nice day. Okay, bye.